Hi, this is Adrienne, and I'm doing a technique update today. I've been trying some of the HadoLabo, a couple of different kind of formulations that I hadn't tried before. This one is a gentle hydrating cleanser, and it is very much, let's see if you can see here, it keeps all the moisture. And very thick formula, goes on kind of like this, and that's what you get. And again, thank you Nadine Baggett for introducing me to HadoLabo, and also microfiber washcloths. They're wonderful during Halloween. I had gone ahead and put L'Oreal lipstick in my eyebrows to make them blue. And all I did was I took the microfiber cloth, got it wet, and just went like that, and it all came off. It didn't stain at all. It was wonderful. So, again, this is the cleanser that's on there, and again, it's still really thick. But as far as going ahead and getting it off, a little bit of water on your microfiber cloth, and then it comes off like that. Really thick formula. It hasn't broken me out, and I've been using it for about a week now. But what I'm finding is to go ahead and do my serums, or the ordinary, the buffet, and then a couple of times a week I do the ordinary 7% glycolic acid to go ahead and get a peel. Don't really have any current retinol. I do have some though. Well, actually, the HadoLabo, let's see, anti-aging hydrator, and it has collagen and a retinol complex in it, so I am using some retinol. I don't think that's a lot of retinol in this product, but so anyway, I'll be changing up my creams, and that's kind of where the technique comes in, because again, the ordinary, the glycolic acid, I don't need to do that every day. I don't need to peel every day. And then switching up with the buffet from the ordinary, or the HadoLabo anti-aging hydrator with collagen and retinol. And so I'll be using a serum. Then I'll take the HadoLabo, which this one's the alpha, and this is one of the ones that's made for Japan that you can get on Amazon, and they're all under about $20. So that, and like I said, I've only used it to there maybe, so it lasts a good long time. So washing the face with the gentle cleanser, it's really good for keeping the hydration in. That doesn't make your break out. And then going ahead and using the serum, changing amount throughout the week, and or sometimes using 2 when I use the glycolic toner, 7%. So putting that on, and then using an occlusive on the top. And I hadn't really gotten that idea until I watched Jessica Braun on Braun Beauty, and the Glow Getter Pressed Serum Moisturizer. This is it from, this one is Shea Moisture, and this actually has, let's see, Maruco honey, yogurt extract, and vitamin C. When you open it up, it looks like Vaseline, and you think, you know, that's the best I can do is put that on my lips, but it lasts a really long time, and it isn't like that. What you can do is go ahead, doesn't take very much, put it on your face, and what'll happen is that it will warm up, and it'll turn into a liquid on your face. It's an occlusive, so it'll go ahead and keep all of those serums on your face and lock them in. And for nighttime, during this winter wind shaft and windblown kind of skin stuff, I'm really liking it, and I was really just amazed that it actually sunk into my skin. And it takes about half an hour to go ahead and really sink into your skin. But I live in a dry climate, and usually my skin just like shoops up all that moisture, any moisture that I can get it. But with this, it actually does go ahead and take that half hour to sink in, and it does. My skin does actually absorb it, so it's not sitting on the top. And just for really dry winter skin, I'm finding this just amazing. And this one is the Glow Getter by Shea Moisture. The other one that you can get is the Burnt Bees. They have a version of this that I've actually used all over. It does have lavender in it, so it's not a lot of, if you don't like fragrance, then the Burnt Bees one isn't going to be what you like. The other one that I got, and the Glow Getter got me thinking about the HadoLabo. And this is from their gold collection, and this is actually another petroleum, well, Vaseline-based product. This one looks like this on the inside, and I actually haven't tried this yet on my full face. I've been using it on dry patches and on my lips because they're so dry right now. And it is helping quite a lot to go ahead and, again, it does have the hyaluronic acid in it. And like I said, I've been using it for dry places, but I haven't really tried it on my whole skin yet. I was trying the Shea Moisture Glow Getter to see if that broke me out. It didn't break me out. It does warm up to your skin. It takes right around a half an hour to go ahead and sink in. But if you do have dry winter skin, like me, it's amazing to have a product that doesn't, either there's not enough moisture and they just, my face just goes and it's gone and I still feel tight and dry, or they sit on top, and this one actually sinks in. As far as putting makeup over the Glow Getter, I don't think that's probably the best idea. I don't think most people could do that. But again, I've been mixing up my serums, you know, different nights, different types, and that way they last a little bit longer and you don't parch your skin. The other one that I really like is the e.l.f. Hello Hydration Face Cream with Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Complex. With this one, I've actually been wearing this under makeup, so I'll go ahead and put on the HadoLabo and whichever serum I'm using, and then go ahead and put the e.l.f. Hello Hydration Cream on there as inclusive to bind everything in, and then put my foundation on top of that, and I'm really liking that as well. So I just thought I'd update you on some things to do during the winter and some of the YouTubers that have helped me find new and better ways to work with all this face care. And thank you and have a good day, okay? Bye.